Hey. Hey guys, welcome back to Kids Day. Okay, we're gonna do a unicorn video. See, we have unicorn horns. Then we have a unicorn squishy and unicorn slime. Wait, no, not yet.
Let's get started.
I do it that unicorn.
Let me see it. Let me see it first. Let me see it. Okay, so this one we found at Walmart. Walmart's been our big spot lately.
We found this at Target.
No, I'm pretty sure we got that one at Walmart.
No, I have
No,
this.
it was Walmart.
Go ahead, open it up.
I'm opening it. I gotta
Want me
open it. You open it,
Oh.
Mama.
Yes, I am.
I can't open it.
Oh.
I'm just gonna
I don't want to let it go. It feels like pop. It feels like a
Let's
marshmallow.
open this.
Feels
Oh
like
my
a
gosh, it's like
marshmallow.
deformed now.
Yeah. Okay, let's
Oh,
open
my
it.
face.
Let's open
Let's open the slime and make it. Let's
Okay.
make the slime. Oh, it's all sticky inside.
He's still rising.
Yeah, he takes a while
He's
to
a real
rise.
slow riser. All right.
Okay, let's open this.
Okay, so it says make your own unicorn
Unicorn
slimy
slime.
goop. Add sparkly gemstones.
What gemstones?
I don't know. They should be in there. It says it has everything that it needs.
Oh,
All right.
found the gemstones.
I get the directions.
Here.
All right.
I think. Oh, I think I need the bowl, but there's a bowl right here and the spoon.
Okay.
It does come
I'm
with
gonna
everything.
make purple.
Okay. Follow these 4 rules. Do not eat slimy goop or any of the ingredients. Do not splash it in your eyes. Wash your hands with warm water and soap after each time you use your slimy goop. And be sure to cover your work area because making slimy goop can be a bit messy.
Could be a bit goopy.
That's okay. We can ruin this
I have
cloth.
my purple one.
It's fine. I'll just get a
And
new
I have
cloth.
the red.
No big deal. All right. So
Mom, what's red and pink make?
red and pink. Red and pink are basically the same color. That looks more like purple though.
Yeah.
And
So we'll
red
make
and
this
purple.
really pretty.
Yes, there's red in purple, so it'll make it a little
really
bit
pretty.
redder purple.
Yeah, we have
All
to
right.
use this.
Yeah.
On our hands.
Bora.
Well, let's see. So, fill the disposable cup with
Slime.
Glue.
0.845 fluid ounces of warm water. So you have to go fill that with water. See you in a minute. Now you've got our warm water. We had to fill it up to 25 milliliters. Alexina gave us a nice 30, so we're gonna pour a little bit out.
And we have to
There's
use
25.
Just the mix.
That's right. And we need 1 level scoop of this sodium
With the.
tetraborate.
No, this.
Yes, with that. So here, let's open this up.
How do you scoop with that?
No, that's the stir.
This is to scoop. How do you scoop with that?
You
She went with this.
Mm-hmm.
have to stir it up.
Okay, give me your... I can't get this to open. Okay. So,
That's too much.
no, I think this is good. Okay, so that's 1 scoop. It's supposed to be level, but you know what? We're not scientists. Go ahead, push that, put that in the water.
The water.
Now we have
Okay,
to put our color.
now you have to stir it until that's all gone. Stir it until all the powder's gone. Okay. All right, so we have our second 25 milliliters of warm water going in this bowl. So go ahead and pour that in. Okay, and now we need to fill this up with 16 milliliters of glue. So find the 15 and go a little bit above that. And then Abigail's going to stir that for us. You don't know how to squeeze glue?
I do. It was just not open.
It just opened the whole thing.
Yeah, it's not opening.
Oh, there's a safety cap? Are you for real? You're gonna have to write the company and say, bro.
What?
Safety cap? Seriously?
Like,
Okay.
I'm like, it's all the way up. I was like, tugging it out.
Alright. Alright, so squeeze. Hey, squeeze some more. Hey, are you squeezing?
Yeah.
Squeeze.
Ow.
Squeeze. Oh, man. Squeeze some more. Squeeze.
I'm only up to 10 and it hurts.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Come on, where's your muscles?
Uh-oh, it fell.
Is your horn falling off?
You're not a real unicorn.
I think that's good. Is that good?
Yeah, I went to the end of the word 15.
Oh, rock on. Okay. So now we're going to pour this in here.
Oh, my hands are all sticky.
I'm going to scrape it out. And now Abigail is going to have to stir.
Stir, stir. Oh, my thumb hurts. Oh, that's squeezing.
Here you go, Abby Cadabby.
Abacadabi, that sounds weird.
You're weird. Don't
I
stir
am.
too hard. You'll spill.
Yeah, don't spill. Whoa, that looks like... All this glue is just staying together.
Hey, get that for me.
It looks like the medicine you put on your... Looks like weird.
The medicine? I don't know what medicine you're talking about.
You put on your
taking
babies.
my horn off.
Oh my gosh, she's not a unicorn
You're not
anymore.
a real unicorn.
You're
You're
an
a fake.
imposter unicorn.
You're a fake.
No,
That's okay. That's all right. Here, I'll wear it.
Okay.
Okay.
Mommy's
Alright.
gonna be a unicorn now.
I'm a unicorn.
You're a fake.
I'm not fake.
No, she's a fake.
Oh.
So I'm taking... I took
All right, keep
I
stirring.
took the real unicorn away from her.
This is so...
I just want to squish it when you're stirring. When you're stirring, I just want to squish it.
Oh my god, this is that
Feels so
weird.
weird. Her butt is at her hand. Her butt is at her face. Guys, look. Her butt is at her face.
How?
Oh, keep stirring. Keep
We got a
stirring. Do
little.
you want me to stir it? Look, you're
Yeah.
spilling. Yep.
Whoa,
I'll
that's
stir.
a lot.
Yeah, you spilled a lot. I don't know. I'm trying to mix it, but it's not mixing super well.
I think that's how it's supposed to be.
Maybe I just don't know what I'm doing.
Oh, sit down.
All right.
I'm not a fake.
So then we have this first solution. So stir. And so we're supposed to pour this in here.
I want more chips.
You want more chips.
Yeah, next time I'm going out, I'm getting more chips.
All right.
What?
It's like weird. I don't know. All right,
I think it's supposed to be like that. Maybe.
Yeah, I think yeah.
Yeah, I think yeah too. That keeps on bonking my head. The shopping backpack. The shopping backpack keeps on hitting my head.
I'm hitting the backpack.
Ow.
All the water is supposed to absorb.
You hurt my horn.
All of it.
All of it? But not all of it is. Ooh, the glue almost went on my face.
All right, keep stirring.
Have a turn?
All the water's gonna absorb
Oh,
or
sure,
go
sure.
all over the.
You have a turn.
Okay. Because you want to play with the squishy.
Yeah,
Oh,
this is so
It's starting to be like slime, like most of it.
All right, do you guys want this to be pink or purple?
purple.
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 Purple's good with me. Here, give me the purple. How many squirts should we give
4.
Abigail?
2.
2. Here, you give 2 and Sissy will give 2. Uh-oh. That's not supposed to go in there.
The cat.
1,
1,
2. All right, now give it to Sissy. 1.
2.
Ooh, that's a big squirt. Okay, keep mixing.
Be real purple.
Whoa, don't spill.
White is gonna turn into
All right,
purple.
it's not really, I don't know, it's not really mixing
we did
the way
it
it
wrong.
said it was.
We put too much water, I think.
No, we measured it properly. It's just not, I don't know. Do you see how it's like soupy? Like it's supposed to absorb all the water, but it's not.
This is a total fail.
Total fail. That's all right. That's all right.
Oh!
Where's the gemstones?
Right over there.
I don't know. I want to touch it.
Here, take it out of there. Here,
I want
you
to
can have that. Here,
Oh, it feels horrible.
put the gemstones in
It
it.
feels like
Horrible.
your
Horrible.
vegetables that you chewed up.
You chew. You like to touch chewed up vegetables, huh?
Feels like slime that was mismade.
Oh yeah, well,
That's what it is.
we're not the best at making things, but we're really good at having fun.
Yeah, I'm really good at making my handprint with messed up slime.
Oh,
Look.
great.
Finger. Sorry.
Yeah, put those in there.
How I
Oh,
open it?
it's just like
How do you open it?
like I'm squeezing it, and instead of
Here.
it's like popping in my hand. I feel it.
Oh, it's like little bubbles.
Yeah, it has little bubbles.
Oh my gosh, they really closed this good. You're right, Abigail. All right,
Can we just put sprinkles?
here's your
I meant
gemstones.
sparkles. I said sprinkles. I meant-
Sprinkles, sparkles,
This is gonna feel so weird from the gemstones.
sprinkles.
Oh, this feels horrible.
Fail.
Let's just put it in. It doesn't even stick. It doesn't stick.
Because everything is better with glitter.
Even my face. I meant hands.
Oh, you want some for your face?
Oh, it got on my eye.
It got in your eye?
Yeah.
Oh, your eyes are beautiful now. Dude, your horn is coming undone. The gold on your horn is totally coming undone.
I'm not a fake. I'm a real unicorn.
Yeah, right.
You put some white inside.
White? White
white
glitter
sparkles.
coming up.
Glitter. Sorry.
I'm sorry, I was standing.
I keep on saying sprinkles.
Sprinkles? Like this is
I don't hold
this
it,
is
I'm gonna
ice
hold it in
cream.
my hand.
Yummy.
I want to get them.
Hang on. Let her hold it too.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, everything's better with glitter.
Sprinkle glitter.
Look at my hands, guys.
I love glitter and sparkles. I
Glitter.
mean, oh, I don't think they like that.
Oh, my hand is very sparkly now.
Look at mine.
Oh, yes, they are.
Yes.
Hey, why would I hold it?
Mm.
Hey, Mom.
Look.
Mommy.
Yeah.
I just like put it in the gemstones.
Did you give me?
I was gonna grab.
What, you need
chips.
one more color?
I
Blue?
also- No, green.
No, only well, one more color.
Green.
No.
Is green okay? Blue. Let her do blue.
Green.
Green. You're a nice sister, you know.
What
So
we have her colors.
Alexina's favorite color is green.
The glue.
What is Abigail's favorite color?
Green. And pink.
Pink. Oh, green everywhere.
Put it on my face. This is the best day ever.
Oh, can you guys see it? Oh yeah,
Yeah,
they can.
I
Oh
can.
yeah.
You put it.
And I also rubbed glue on my face. I also rubbed little glue on my
Oh
nose.
my goodness gracious.
Oh,
Ew.
I'm playing with
I
this.
think you got it everywhere.
I'm cleaning it up.
Yeah, okay. That's gonna work.
Oh, what up my nose? What up my nose?
How'd it smell? Pretty good?
No, it hurt.
Ew, here's part of your gross. Look at it. It's like really, I don't know. It came out really hard. It's not.
It feels like cauliflower. It's like
It feels like cauliflower. You know what? That's not even a bad analogy. I don't know. It didn't come out as soft as I would have liked.
I like
It
slime,
really
but this is
didn't-
Oh, she put glitter in my eye.
Oh, Well, you wanted to see the glitter,
I'm
right?
beautiful.
So it didn't absorb all the water, so that's why it's a little harder.
Unicorn is
So
glittery.
and we'll try again some other time and see if we can actually do it
Let me have
right.
that. See if I can.
Oh well.
Will you put some glitter on her?
Yeah, put
Yeah,
some glitter
blue.
in. Oh my gosh, I have glitter everywhere. There's glitter everywhere.
The room is now
Careful.
better.
Careful.
The room is now better, much better. Oh, there's a gemstone on my. No, that's just glitter. Put it on her. She's
Here,
so
give me.
beautiful. Her eyes are already falling off.
Yeah.
Look.
You squish them and their eye, the paint comes off
Let's
as
hope
soon
her
as you
beautiful
squish them.
pink hair doesn't come off.
I want to do it. I want to do it.
And I'll hold her.
Thank
You could do
you.
it.
Because what is everything better with?
Sparkle.
Glitter. Oh my gosh, really all of it? All of it? I think that's a lot of glitter.
Wait.
Holy cow.
Wait. Yeah.
What wait? What are we waiting for?
The other side. Unicorns are supposed to be magical, glitter,
Oh
full,
my gosh.
and rainbow full.
You did that
So-
to her. Let me see.
Wait, there's none on her butt.
Oh, butt glitter.
And her hair.
What about this?
Oh, yep. And her tail. Oh, glitter in my eyes.
You wanted glitter on your face, and now the glitter wants to be in your eyes. Oh my gosh. This poor...
Other side.
Look at its belly.
I rubbed it all over her
Oh
belly.
my
How
gosh.
about another color?
Glitter butt.
How about another color for
Oh my gosh.
glitter?
One more
I'm
color?
not doing anything.
How about...
Ziggy.
Oh, you're much prettier with glitter. Here you go. Pink. That's
Oh,
the last
one
color.
in my
done.
mouth. One in my mouth.
Glitter tastes magical.
No, it doesn't. Ooh, pink and blue, so pretty. I am so pretty. Green, blue, and pink.
Mm-hmm.
We need more pink, I think.
Here's some purple. Finish up the purple.
Let's finish up the purple. Finish up the purple.
Purple,
Gosh.
blue, pink, green. Beautiful colors.
So our tablecloth here is definitely going to go right in the garbage.
No, it isn't. It's going right on my face. We are so having a bath. Even my nose.
Say goodnight.